Hi, it's Joe here. Welcome to another episode. This plant is Sansevieria ballyi Minnie, and my ballyi Minnie plant started to bloom like this. So it's been 1 or 2 weeks and I'm still waiting for the flower to open, but this is how it looks like before it opens. And as you might know, Sansevieria plant flower opens during the nighttime. So if you want to film a flower of a Sansevieria, you need to do it during the night. But while waiting, today I decided to repot this plant to a different pot. Yeah, it just felt like this pot doesn't really match as well with this plant right now. So I bought a little bit wider pot and let's see how that goes. Okay, let's get the plant out first. Okay, the plant is out now. And the root is deeper than I wanted it to be, but I think it will fit fine with my new pot here. And this is kind of shallow. But by using this pot, I think I'll be able to expose more of the part of the stolon and the stilt roots here. So let's see how it goes. Now potting is done. I'll give some water. Okay, I gave 150 milliliters of water, and this is the final result. What do you think? It might have been better if I put the plant to the right a little bit, but I think it looks fine.
Like